Hi, my name is Kelsey Hood, and I would like to welcome my guests. Imagine for a second that you're in line at your bank to cash a check, when all of a sudden, everybody get down on the ground! You are now a witness of a crime. While most people will never be in a situation quite like that, many people will have to testify in court, whether that be in a criminal trial or a civil trial. A witness is a person who gives evidence by answering questions. If you have to testify in court as a witness, it is important to be viewed as a credible individual by the judge or jury. There are 3 things that you can do to be viewed as a credible witness, an aid in the judicial process. Dress professionally, be prepared, and stay calm. Dress professionally. You should wear a black, navy, or gray suit. Women can wear pants or a skirt, but the skirt should come to knee length at least. Men should wear a matching belt and dress shoes. A white or blue collared dress shirt is appropriate to wear under the suit for either sex. Women should wear only their engagement ring and 1 pair of earrings. All other jewelry should be removed. Men should wear a silk necktie with an unobtrusive pattern or just a solid necktie. Make sure that your clothes are clean and ironed. Nothing looks more unprofessional than a wrinkled suit. Men should have freshly cut or styled hair, and women should have their hair pulled back to where your hair looks neat. In these pictures, you can see that the men and women are both wearing suits, and they all have their collared dress shirt on. And this man has a patterned tie, which is not ideal. You should go with a solid tie like what this man has on. What I'm wearing would not be appropriate for court because my jacket does not match my pants, and I don't have a collared shirt on. Prepare. This is the most important step. The first thing that you should do to prepare is review all facts and all the statements that you've made in a preliminary hearing. Now, the preliminary hearing, for those of you who don't know, is a hearing that takes place before the trial to determine if there is, 1, enough evidence, and whether the trial should have just a jury or a judge. Read through the transcript from the preliminary hearing. This will refresh you on what questions the attorneys have already asked and the statements that you've already made so you don't contradict yourself during the trial. You should review the day, time, who else was there, who you talked to, and how far away you were when it happened. Practice answering questions. You can do this with your attorney, or you can practice answering questions that you have already heard in the preliminary trial. The last thing that you should do is mentally prepare yourself to stay calm. You cannot get mad at the prosecuting attorney. This makes you look unprofessional and less trustworthy. Also, don't answer questions too quickly. It's okay to take a second to think about the question and your answer instead of spewing false information. It's the attorney's job to fluster you during the cross-examination. They want you to say the wrong thing because this will discredit you and all of the evidence that you've already provided. As long as you stay calm and you've prepared by answering questions and reviewing all of the facts and statements that you've made in the preliminary hearing, you should have nothing to worry about. It is a witness's job to deliver factual evidence to the jury or judge so they can make a supported decision. A jury or judge will be more influenced by information given from a credible witness rather than someone who seems unreliable or untrustworthy. You will be viewed as a credible witness if you properly prepare, dress professionally, prepare, and stay calm. From the bank robbery example before, your testimony could be the difference between an innocent or guilty verdict. Thank you.